Scorpio. Welcome to your horoscope for May 1st to 15th, 2025. If you're seeking guidance on making wise decisions, embracing transformation, and cultivating a peaceful lifestyle, this is your cosmic roadmap. Let's explore how the stars are aligning to support your journey toward empowerment, growth, and lasting harmony. This period brings powerful energy for introspection and renewal, dear Scorpio. With Pluto, your ruling planet, amplifying your transformative powers, you'll feel driven to dive deep into your goals and emotions. Mercury retrograde may stir up old memories or challenges, but it also invites you to reflect and refine your path forward. Trust your intuition. It will guide you toward profound insights and meaningful progress. Career and finances. In your career, expect breakthroughs around May 3rd when Jupiter harmonizes with your ambitious side. You'll feel inspired to take bold steps toward leadership roles or long-term projects that align with your passions. However, Mercury retrograde reminds you to double-check details before finalizing plans. Precision ensures success. Financially, focus on eliminating debts or revisiting investments. Smart planning now can pave the way for lasting stability and peace of mind. Relationships and social life. Your relationships deepen during this time, especially around May 7th, when Venus amplifies emotional connections. Single Scorpios may meet someone who truly understands their intensity and loyalty. For those in partnerships, prioritize vulnerability and honest communication. They strengthen bonds and foster trust. Surround yourself with people who appreciate your authenticity. They're essential for maintaining inner peace. Health and well-being. May invites you to prioritize self-care and nurture your well-being. Around May 9th, the moon highlights the importance of rest and emotional release. Avoid bottling up feelings. Journaling or talking to a trusted friend can help you process them. Incorporate grounding practices like meditation, yoga, or spending time in nature. By honoring your needs, you create space for clarity and resilience. True peace begins within. Personal growth and spirituality. The second week of May encourages deep reflection and spiritual growth. Around May 12th, Mercury retrograde prompts you to revisit past lessons or unresolved issues. Instead of resisting, embrace this energy to heal and gain new perspectives. Trust your instincts. They're guiding you toward choices that align with your highest good. Each step forward brings you closer to living authentically and peacefully. Rise stronger. Scorpio, these 2 weeks are all about harnessing your natural strength and determination to navigate challenges and seize opportunities. Stay focused, stay true to yourself, and trust the process. You're building a foundation for lasting peace and fulfillment. The universe is cheering you on every step of the way.